Guys, so we're gonna shoot this thing right there, and so no, I'm just kidding. We're gonna shoot that tree over there. Run, boy, run! Run, boy, run! Run, boy, run! Okay, guys, so he's gonna show you how to reload this weapon. So show us how to.
You press this button. You take it out. You push it down. You get the BB. Then put it in. Then put it in like this. Wait. Should be right now.
Show us how to shoot it, boy.
Honey, come on, get some.
Yeah, that was a snipe. Okay, so we're gonna show.
It's a donkey.
So we're gonna show you this bomb right here. This is a bomb that we're gonna use. And how we use it, we throw it on the ground and split it. So
How much times?
he is going to explode it. It's called the PNR bomb. And he is going to do it. So, okay, so you can do it now.
Right now?
Get wrecked. So that was our bomb.
And then we got some
That was our bomb.
new stuff that I just made.
He just made this.
It makes me look like a badass. Bro, come at me. Oh, what the heck just happened?
Okay, guys, so this is going to be our outro, and our outro is going to be epic because we're just going to shoot some people. And
Come on, bro.
okay, so please leave a subscribe, a like, a comment, and be one of my subscribers, and you get to be good.
Sorry.
Now you shoot it, man. So we are going to end this video. Subscribe, like, comment, anything. Just, okay. Favorite it. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to make that booty go.